What's good, sneaker fam? It's your boy Fabe, back with another one, and today I got a good one for you guys. Today we're going to be working on a pair of Fire Red 5s. Released back in 2008, these Fire Red 5s is one of the most popular Jordan 5 models to date. Now, unfortunately, this pair has been extremely yellowed, including the netting. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? Guess what? Today, with the special one, we're gonna get this netting back for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me how to do the netting as well, and it's the same process. I'm gonna show you step by step. Follow me. And once again, here's everything you're gonna need. You're gonna need a paintbrush, some saran wrap, and once again, good old bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce. Let's get started. Now, you're gonna wanna unseal this bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce. It is double sealed, ladies and gentlemen. So, to unseal it, simply remove the cap, take off the pressure seal, get that out of the way. Now, you can either put the cap back on or remove this blue piece. It's still sealed, so you're going to have to cut that little tip off. Simple. Now, being that I said we're gonna be doing the netting on this pair, we're gonna have to unlace them. So let's get started. And there we go. Netting's all exposed for us to get to work. Now, let's start with the soles. Simply take your Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area. Very simple and easy process on these Fire Red 5s here. Put it on the top half and the bottom half. We'll go ahead and smooth this in here. Take your paintbrush, smooth it all around. Once again, nice thin coat is all you need. You don't have to cake it on there. You don't have to waste the product. Nice thin layers, all you need, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna do the job. Now, you can, well, I do recommend avoiding the black, just because you don't want to waste product, but if you do happen to get it on the black portion of the sole, it's black, it does no effect to it, so perfectly fine. Don't worry about wiping it off. Also, be sure to get the sides as well. Sides of the soles. We want it to be completely icy. Go ahead and do this bottom half, nice, quick, and easy. Once again, make sure to get the sides, even on the back. And there you go. Soles are done. So what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna wrap this up. I'm gonna take a saran wrap. Once again, 2 halves, ladies and gentlemen, 2 halves. Wide way for the back half. Look at that. That's done. That's good. Another piece, the long way for the front half. Let it free flow over the sole. Look at that. Look at that. Now that's a sealed job for you. That's sealed. That's gonna stay like that. Now, we're also gonna do this netting here. So, what I'm gonna do is set it to the side, flap down the saran wrap a little bit. Now, what I like to do, being that the netting is very, very delicate, I like to take the sole sauce and dabble it on the actual paintbrush. Don't put it on the netting. Put it on the paintbrush, then take your paintbrush, go over the netting. Very, very simple and easy. Once again, nice, thin coat. You don't have to cake it on there. Trust me, it will do the job. That side's done. That's very simple. Simple and easy, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Put some more on your paintbrush. Take it. Go ahead, hit this netting. I would avoid the leather, but once again, has no effect on the leather, but you just don't want to waste product. Go ahead, do this very carefully. Get as close to the sides as possible. all the way down to the base. That's it. It's a nice thin coat. Other side. Almost done, ladies and gentlemen, almost done. We're good to go, ladies and gentlemen. We're good to go. Seal it up, take your saran wrap, small little piece. Place it over that. Stand them up. Now this is gonna be a completely covered shoe, but don't worry, it's gonna get the job done. Cover the middle netting as best as possible. It has mesh behind it, so it still will be able to breathe, but you just wanna cover it as best as possible, ladies and gentlemen. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do your best. Do the best you can. And there we go. Ready for the baking process. Let's take this outside. After you've covered your soles in saran wrap, you'll simply want to place them under sunlight or UV light if you have one. I do recommend both. Use sunlight during the day and UV lights at night just to keep the process going. And depending on how bad your soles are will determine how many times you have to do this process. For these 5 red 5s, it took me just 2 sessions on the soles and 1 session on the netting to get them back to where they are. After that, simply remove your saran wrap from all the areas. It's all over this shoe, as you can see. Just ball that up. That's garbage. Get rid of that. Now, you want to wash it off. Wash off all this excess sauce here. You could use any generic cleaner. I myself, I'm using Fabes Sole cleaner. It's in the prototype phase yet. It's not out for sale just yet, but use whatever you're comfortable with. That netting. Wipe it all down. And look at your results. Damn. Damn. Yeah, exactly. You heard that? Cameraman said damn. And even the netting. We also got side netting too, so it's all completely done. You are finished. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You've just restored your Fire Red 5s, including the netting, back to factory fresh conditions. If this video has helped you out, please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel. There's gonna be many more videos to come. The next video is gonna be a pair of Yeezy 350 Zebras. I know you guys are waiting for that. Also, product linked is in the description below for your Fabes Sole Sauce. Grab a bottle today. Thank you.